Hey, welcome back to Finance Explains. I'm your guy Abby, your money sidekick helping you untangle the world's most confusing financial spaghetti noodle at a time. Now, picture this. Our buddy Sam Chill American dude flies to Italy for pizza, sunshine, and a little Dolce Vita Hode. He pulls out $100 to get euros and what the heck? It's not a one-to-one trade, and when he goes to Kenya, the exchange rate gets even wilder. So today's big question is, why do different currencies have different values? Stick with me till the end, and I'll even show you why the US dollar is basically the Beyonce of global currencies and why that matters for your wallet too. Section 1. Sam's Travel Money Mystery. So Sam learns a valuable lesson. 1 USD is not equal to 1 euro. 1 USD is not equal to 1 Kenyan shilling. But why? Think of currencies like products in a market. Just like bananas can be cheap in Ecuador but expensive in Iceland, currencies have different values based on supply and demand. Section 2. What makes a currency strong or weak? A strong currency equals it can buy more of another currency. A weak currency equals it buys less. Example: 1 USD equals 0.92 euro as of now, but 1 USD equals 130 Kenyan shillings. It's not that Kenya's broke, it's that their economy, exports, and currency demand are very different. Things that affect a currency's strength: interest rates, inflation, government debt, stability, and trust, exports versus imports. Section 3. What is fiat currency? Let's talk about the word fiat. And no, I don't mean the tiny Italian car. Fiat means the currency has value because the government says it does. There's no gold or silver backing it anymore, it's just trust and vibes. Fun fact, all major currencies today are fiat USD, Euro, GBP, etc. Section 4. Why is the US dollar the global king? Now, Sam is back in the US, still confused. Why is the USD everywhere? Why do countries trade in it, keep it in reserves, and cry when it gets stronger? Here's why. World War II aftermath, the US had the strongest economy and lots of gold. The petrodollar. Most oil trades are priced in USD. Stability. US markets are trusted worldwide. Everyone else holds USD, so the cycle continues. In short, USD is the Beyonce, and the rest are backup dancers. Section 5. Interest rates and currency value. When the US raises interest rates, the dollar becomes more attractive. Why? Because foreign investors earn more when they buy US bonds or save in US banks. So, higher interest equals stronger dollar. Lower interest equals weaker dollar. Same logic applies to other countries too. Section 6. Can currencies crash? Yes, ever heard of Zimbabwe or Argentina? In Zimbabwe, they printed too much money, like way too much. Suddenly a loaf of bread cost 10 billion Zimbabwe dollars. That's not hyperbole, that's hyperinflation. Why? Too much supply, not enough trust. All people literally lost faith in their money. Okay fam, let's wrap this up with some golden nuggets. Currency values change based on supply and demand. Interest rates, inflation, debt, and global trust shape that value. USD dominates because of history, oil, and trust. Currencies can crash if mismanaged. Don't print like it's monopoly money. And just like our buddy Sam discovered, travel can open your eyes and your wallet. Yo, did this video save your brain from financial confusion today? Did you laugh? Learn something? Both? Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite part or ask me a question for a future video. Oh, and real quick, if you're into saving money like a boss, which I know you are, check out the link in my description for Temu. It's not just a shopping app, I use it myself to grab cool stuff on a budget. And yep, it's my affiliate link, so if you use it, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. It's like a tip jar that sends you socks and gadgets. Noti. So hey, grab a deal and help your boy Abby keep making these videos win-win. And hey, if you missed our last video on where your money goes when you buy a stock, go watch that next. I broke it down so even your grandma could invest with confidence CPT. Like the vid, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.